Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the WolfHoo W01 Tiny Whoov kit set. In this video I'm going to show you how to build it and then I'm going to test it out. And in addition, one of you lucky subscribers is going to win this set, which is going to be directly sent from WolfHoo, and I'm going to go through the giveaway details in the end of this video. Inside the package we can find an EVA Frame kit, 1S 300 mAh Lipo batteries, either 1 or 3 depending on the kit that you bought. 2 sets of 31mm props, a 2mm micro JST extension wire, a TPU 3D printed mount for an FPV camera, the flight controller, 40716 19,000 kV brushed motors, a frame with a wheelbase of 68mm, a remote controller, and a simple USB charger. An FPV camera is not included in the kit, so if you would like to add FPV, you will have to provide your own camera. The camera that I'm going to use is this simple all-in-one camera, which is identical to the one which is being used on the URV UR65. It fits perfectly inside the 3D printed TPU mount, and in addition its working voltage is between 3.3 to 5 volts. You should also note that this camera has video in and video out pads, so in order to get the image you will have to bridge them since the flight controller doesn't support OSD. The next thing I'm going to do is to assemble all the parts together and then I'm going to test it out. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video and I will see you in the end of it in order to give you my conclusion. overall I can tell you that the WolfHoo Tiny Whoov is both fun to build and to drive around, and I think that it's a great way to introduce FPV to a family member or a friend, since controlling it is very easy and it is pretty much harmless. Using the included 300 mAh 1S battery, you can expect to run the Tiny Whoov for around 3 minutes, but since there is no battery low level indication, I recommend to run it for about 2.5 minutes. And anyway, I recommend to get the version with the 3 batteries, because 1 battery is just not going to be enough. The radio control system is pretty limited, and the range you should expect is only about 12 meters. Since the remote controller and the receiver are using the Bayang protocol, I did try to bind the Jumper T12 multi-protocol remote controller with the receiver in order to check if it's going to extend the range, but unfortunately I didn't get it to work. I am going to ask WolfHoo if it's even possible, and if it is, I'm going to leave a comment down below that will instruct you how to do it. I also think that it's pretty fun to run the Tiny Whoov line of sight, so what I recommend to do is to add a JST connector between the camera and the control board, and then when you're running the Tiny Whoov line of sight, you can simply disconnect the camera, which will save some battery and also will protect the camera in case of a crash. So overall, priced at $30 for the version that comes with a single battery and $35 for the version that comes with 3 batteries, I think that the Tiny Whoov kit set is a pretty nice buy. WolfHoo are still working on improving this product. For example, they just told me that they are going to replace the Teflon layer that is located on the bottom of the Tiny Whoov, and I did have some problems with it. It just wouldn't stick, and I ended up using super glue in order to put it in place. So they told me that they are going to think of a better solution, and they actually just removed the option to buy it on the website. In addition, if you have a Tiny Whoov and you have this sort of batteries, you can use them as well with the Tiny Whoov. So you can just remove this part and then you can just simply place it like that, and it will be kept in place. Regarding the giveaway, if you want to participate, all you have to do is just to leave a comment down below, make sure to be subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, and once this video is going to reach 1000 views, I'm going to announce the winner, who is going to win a set of Tiny Whoov, which is going to be directly sent from WolfHoo. In addition, I also got you a $10 off coupon, so if you would like to use it, check out the description box down below. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. I also would like to thank WolfHoo for sponsoring this small giveaway, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.